When we get it right, it's about so much more than accuracy.
It's about certainty.
The certainty to build,
to create,
and to move forward with confidence.
From our very first steps as humans, we measured the world to understand it.
Since long before the pyramids rose, and through every great leap since,
measurement has really been the foundation of our progress.
Today, measurement doesn't just look different.
It is different.
But its purpose,
That remains unchanged.
it's to give us the power to shape the world.
For over 25 years,
Hexagon's measurement technologies have enabled you to build,
Break records,
To preserve,
protect,
restore,
explore,
to harvest,
extract,
to design,
push boundaries.
break barriers,
To reimagine what's possible.
no matter how success is measured in microns
or meters tall.
from the invisible
To the infinite.
We deliver certainty when it matters the most.
When there is no margin for error,
When the cost of failure is just too great.
our customers rely on one thing:
Trust.
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 Whether that's the trust in the technology,
Trust in the data,
Or simply trust in us.
working together, we're building a world that's more productive, more efficient,
Safer,
and more sustainable.
when we get it right.
we can build a world
Where collaboration
And leads to the extraordinary.
So, when it has to be right,
It has to be Hexagon.